Okay, so we're going to talk about the product information guide. You may see it abbreviated as the PIG. So this is a spreadsheet that took all of the information that used to be in our price books about each specific item, and we put it into one spreadsheet. So you'll see on this side, you've got your style numbers, the total, it's your 6-digit code with the group and style number. You got your style code here and then just your prefix. So one of the great things about this is you can select this whole spreadsheet if you've got to open in Excel, and you can sort and filter it. So if you're looking for something, well, that didn't work here, hold on. If you're looking for something that's got just a prefix of a certain number, you can get that and it'll do the drop downs. Apparently I'm having some technical issues with making that work. Usually you just select it and it does it. Let me highlight everything this way here, just so you guys can see it. So you can see you can select in the drop down and it gives you all of your style items. I think you just have to select everything with the exception of the first header column there. So if we just want to look at things that have a 10 prefix, you can click OK, and it's going to filter everything out from that. You can filter by style number, etc. You can filter every column when you have it set up that way. So if you're looking for things that just have a swivel base number available, or something that's within a certain size range because your dimensions are here at the end, it gives you all that information that's on there. I'm going to clear all the filters here. So you can see when you turn that on, the headers, you get filters for every category. This is really good for stuff that has standard features versus if there's stitching notes. That's come up a couple times lately where, you know, if you look at the Ottoman, you'll have a single needle top stitch on anything that's in these leather or leather-like materials. So all of your additional product information is now in this product information guide, and that we sent out on your did you know there's a QR code on there, so you guys can pull that up and actually read it right from your phones if you need to, or your devices. I also emailed out a link that you can click on, you can save it on your desktop, and there's a few other things in there, but product information guide is one of those forms. So like I said, tons of information. For those of you that have been here for a little bit, where the price books were in the old format, this is everything that used to be in there that's just not in the price book anymore. It's now housed in this file. You'll also see power prefix codes and then general product descriptions. There are different tabs at the bottom. Again, I know I've mentioned this a couple times, but this is meant to be a digital resource. So just make sure that you guys don't try and print this. You can see it's pretty small font to begin with in the spreadsheet, and it's many columns across. So if you try and print it, the formatting just doesn't go very well. So you can kind of see the print preview. It's 31 pages and none of that is legible. And then also you have to line it up. The headers aren't there. So you can print selections of things if you've filtered something. Like if you just want to see stuff that only comes with the, let's see if we have a ZB option in here. So you can kind of see that section. So let's do the Z5 and ZB option. It'll filter down the select styles that are there. So if you wanted to print just a list of those, you could select the cells and print it. But I definitely don't recommend trying to print the entire document. But you can see with those filters on how quickly and easily you can narrow down information. Again, if you're in Excel, the other thing that you can do, let me add all those back in here, is you can select your column that you're in. Let's say I'm in my style option. And if you hit Control F on your keypad, it'll pop up this find and replace box. So I can search for a pinnacle and it'll take me to the beginning of where pinnacle starts, and it's going to show me every prefix that has a 512 in it. So again, very easy to use if you're on a digital format, and gives you guys all the information that you need.